So this is my beef that is smoked, but I've steamed it. This is my amaranthus. I've steamed it also, and I've squeezed out the water. My crayfish is ready, and you can see my tomato. It's really an easy dish. I don't want to take much of the time. The tomato is cooking with onion, some hot pepper, and I've put the stock of the beef in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some garlic, ginger, and fry it a little bit for like 5 minutes. And I'll put my beef to fry with it to taste, and then my amaranthus and crayfish. Very easy. Our tomato is ready. I tasted it, is very sweet. Salt is balanced. I put some cubes there. Maggi cube. I'm gonna go ahead and add my smoked beef that has been steamed. I want the beef to mix with the tomato and garlic and ginger, so it has a very good taste. I always like my beef to taste very well in my food, and the pepper is not too hot, so kids can manage this. I'm gonna keep this for 5-10 minutes to make sure the tomato, garlic, ginger, and the cubes, the seasoning should taste in the beef very well. I'm gonna give it a cover. Let's go ahead and check our. Ooh la la! It is so yummy. Smells so good. The garlic, ginger, the seasoning, the beef seasoning smells so good in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the crayfish. I like to put crayfish last in my ingredients because I really want the crayfish to taste crayfish. I don't want it to cook for too long so the taste can stay. You know, the more you cook something, an ingredient for long in a pot, the more it disappears. So crayfish is one of those good things that I don't want it to be cooked too much. And you want to watch this pepper because it's already so hot in here. So this crayfish is cooking. While it's cooking, now I can go ahead and put my amaranthus. See, it's green. When you're steaming this amaranthus, do not cover the pot. Just leave the pot open and steam it with a little bit of salt. And then it looks soft, but not too soft. People, don't make it to be too soft. It's vegetable. Just steam it. See, you're gonna stir these right now, and you're gonna see after this process, you don't want to cook it for too long because everything there is cooked. You just want the amaranthus to taste. Wow, see, you can see my amaranthus. I don't have a lot of oil. Please, 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 there's a lot of sickness out there. Cholesterol is not good. You don't want your body to have high cholesterol, but this is perfect. Not too much oil. Oh, it tastes so good. Now I miss my mom. My mom used to cook this all the time in our home, and with this it smells crayfish, but my amaranthus, I put a second coat of crayfish. The last coat of crayfish, people, oh my god, this is the amaranthus right now. Amaranthus. So when I'm cooking amaranthus, after the last coat of crayfish, in 5 minutes my vegetable is ready, people. Oh la la, it tastes so good. Smells so good. Please try this at home. You will love it. Very healthy for you. I think it's ready. I'm gonna plate these and show you how it looks like.